Hi guys, today we're going to do parallel and perpendicular lines. These are the 4 objectives. This is easy if you just follow along slowly and carefully. So slopes of parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that never meet in the coordinate plane. That means they just go on forever. As a result, they have the same slope. So if you look at these two equations, we have the same slope but different y-intercepts, and I'm going to graph them for you. So you're going to get it's going to look like so, and then this one is going to look like so. Actually, this one is wrong. And I'm going to redo it. It's 1 and like so. So you'll see that they are parallel lines and they have the same slope. So how do you do the math? There it is. It's a better diagram. So find the equation of a line parallel to a given line through a given point. The steps are: make 2 columns, find the slope for line 1, find the slope for line 2, and then use some other information to write the equation. So find the equation of the line that passes through 12, 5 and is parallel to the given line. This line is already in slope-intercept form. So it's very easy for you to figure out the slopes. You're going to make 2 columns, line 1 and line 2. And on the left, you're going to say, well, the slope of this line is 2/3. The slope of the second line, because it is parallel, is also 2/3. And it passes through 12, 5. The best way to do this is to start off by using the point slope form. So we're going to do y minus 5 is equal to the slope, which is 2/3, times x minus 12. You're going to distribute the right side, and then you're going to add 5 to both sides, and that is your final answer. You want to try this, you want to pause the video and try it. So in this case, you have to isolate the y to put it in slope-intercept form and add 2 to both sides. The slope is 3. Line 2, the slope is also going to be 3, but this one passes through -2, 7. We're going to write it in point slope form. Y minus 7 equals 3 times x plus 2. Distribute, add 7, and that is your final answer. When lines are perpendicular, it's a different story. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are opposite reciprocals. Opposite means negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative, and you know what reciprocal means. So for example, if line 1 is 2, line 2 will be -1/2. If line 1 is -4/5, line 2 will be positive 5/4. Remember that we want to see the rise and the run, so the slopes have to stay as improper fractions. So let's find the equation of the line that passes through 2, 4 and is perpendicular to this line. So notice that this is given in standard form, so you will have to manipulate it so that it becomes in slope-intercept form. That means y equal to something. So we're going to move the x, divide everything by 3. It turns out that the slope of the first line is 1/3, and since the second line is perpendicular, it's going to be the opposite reciprocal, which is -3. This new line passes through 2, 4. Again, you're going to use the point slope form. So y minus 4 equals -3 times x minus 2. Distribute, simplify, and that is your final answer. You want to try one more? And please pause the video so you can do this on your own. I am not showing the work, but the answer is y equals 1/3 x plus 5. And see if you can do this challenge question. What is the line perpendicular to x is equal to 4? You can show this to me in class. And that is it. You don't have to do this assignment. Just pause the video. See you in class. Goodbye.